Hi, today I'm front of me Google Pixel 7 Pro and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first let's select the application and drag this up to another one. Now we can see here the new created home screen folder. By the same way, we can just hold and drag the application to this folder to add it. If you want to add here more applications, you can make it by the same way. So just to give a name or to rename the folder, we should click here once on the name, and after that they enter the new one. For example, let's use it like the apps folder. If you want to move folder on the screen, on between the screens, you should hold and drag it. By the same way, we can create the new screen with the folder. Just hold it and then drag it. Once again, hop, and now we can create the new one. Okay, we should just stay, for example, with one application here on the new screen. And after that we can create the new one with this folder. So there's just if you want to remove the application from the folder, hold it and drag it here to the home screen if you want to stay with this application on the home screen. But if you want to remove it from the home screen and from the folder, you just should hold it and then drag it to remove icon. But don't worry, you will stay with this application in the apps menu. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.